Yes, madam, please come forward. Thank you. Please give her the microphone. Good morning, Dima.
Good morning, Auntie Miriam.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning, Brekete Family.
Morning.
And good morning, Nigeria. My name is Anne Odwak. I'm from Akwa Ibom, Uyo to be precise.
Okay.
So,
Closer.
okay.
Yes.
So, sometime I got married to my husband December 2012. So, let me just give an insight on how I met my husband. Like 2 years before 2012, I should be
We
10.
can't hear you. You have to speak up.
Okay. So I met my husband 2 years before 2012. So I was living in Lagos. I grew up in Lagos, so with my siblings. So I have these Benue friends. So I was telling them that then I wasn't schooling. So I told them that I would love to go to Benue and see what Benue looks like. Maybe try to set up something. So one time my friend were going home, so I decided to go with them to Benue. So I went there with the intention of getting a shop because I heard life in Benue was cheaper. So I went there with the intention of getting a shop close to Ben Poli in Gokolo. So when I went there, and my friend's younger sister has a shop around there, she does hairdressing salon. So when I got there, I was looking for a shop and everywhere was occupied. So among their friends, there was my ex-husband now, he was one of their friends. So he was like, they have a vast land in their compound that I should come and if I could like mold the blocks, these mud blocks, then I can set up a shop. Okay. So that I can just erect a building, a shop. That will even save me, if I can do that, that will save me the stress of always renewing the rent of a shop. I said, fine, that. Does he think his parents would not have a problem? He said, no. Then I was going to talk to his parents. His parents are in Jos, they are based in Jos. So I said he should talk to them. If it's okay, that I wouldn't mind, though it's far from the school. So he did that and he got back to me that it was fine. So I now gave money so that they molded the mud blocks and then they erected the building. But because that was not my initial plan, at a point, because things are easily said and done, I was cash trapped. So though I had I had gone to the roofing part, there was zinc, but it wasn't completely, like 7 or 6 sheets was left to complete it. So eventually everything was done through the help of his parents because I later got to meet them.
Okay.
My father-in-law lost the mother, so they came home for the burial. That was when I met with them.
Okay.
And we got along well. So, and during the course of the burial, I happened to come and help them, and because they didn't have a daughter, they had 6 boys. So we stayed there and we helped with my friends during the burial. So later, when everything was over, like after the day that I buried the woman, so we wanted to go back. So we now went and told them that we are going, me and my friends. So my mother-in-law was like, why am I going? That every other person can go, that me, I should wait behind. So I had to wait. My friends left. So that night, she was like, I should tell her about myself, and we got talking. So I told her about myself, and she was like that. She saw that me and Daniel are somewhere a bit closer. So Daniel now told her that we are friends. So after
Please
the
don't
burial,
mention names, please.
okay. So after the burial, they now left. So and I continued with the shop, and they even supported us financially. So when we started the shop, most of the bills were on me. So when I started
Were
the
you
shop,
people married then?
no, we're just friends. So
Okay.
so when I started the shop, but we became intimate.
Okay.
So when I now noticed that when I make sales, when I run every day, he wants me to send out the money for him. And that was not okay with me because I had plans of going to school. So I was like, why is he having his eyes always in the money? So now everything started getting messy. And one day he became abusive. And I was like, I wasn't going to take that. So I left because he beat me because of a particular girl. This is a girl that he told me that he was their relative. And because I was a stranger there, I didn't know. So I just felt that she was his cousin. Then I traveled to Lagos one time to go and get stuff. So when I came back, I now noticed a picture that was hidden somewhere. I now saw that it was a picture of him and that particular girl. So when I called him to it and I asked him, he was like, he became abusive, he beat me. My eyes was red. So I now left. I went to Asaba to my cousin. So
Were you people married then?
no, we were friends. So I
Did
just
you
left.
end up getting married to him?
Yes.
How many children do you people have?
We have to.
2 children.
Yes.
So what is the main reason why you are here?
So the reason now is that, so after we got married, let me just say this thing. So when I went to Asaba, I was there. Then the mother now called me that that the son said I had left. That why did I leave? And
I thought you said the mother had passed on.
No, the grandmother passed on. It was the grandma, the mother to the father. So his mother now called me that his son said I've left. I said yes. She now asked where am I? I said I was in Asaba. She said, can I come to Jos because that's where they are based. I said I can, but at the moment my brother that I came to stay with has traveled, so I can't leave the house. That when my brother is back, I will let her know. So when my brother now came back, so I told her, and she now sent me transport that I should come to Jos, that they need to talk to me. So when I went, and they now talked to me that we should get back together, and that they are going to talk to him. They now called him that is he still interested in the relationship, that they now rebuked him from beating me and all of that. So he said it was not going to repeat itself again. So we now got back. Then we later got married. Okay, when we got married, everything was smooth and fine. Then along the line, when I got pregnant, his attitude started going bad. Like he would go out, not returning. He stays late, out late. Yes.
What is the main reason why you're bringing your husband here? We just finished
He's
the marital case
He's
now.
abusive. He became abusive.
Stop this thing of coming to rubbish your people on air. Okay, ma, this is the reason why I'm here. My husband did this.
Okay,
this. Please.
Sorry. He became abusive. He was always beating me, even when I was pregnant of my second son.
And then what is he doing? Aside from abusing you, what is he doing?
He wasn't taking up our upkeep and all of that. So I had to do any kind of work because the shop became, I didn't have money again. So I went into farming. I even go to the bush to pick locust beans, as far as that, just to put food on the table for me and my children.
Are you people together?
No.
When I done divorce?
He threw me out like that, and he brought in his girlfriend, and they are married now, and they have a son now, and my children, they separated me and my children, took my children away from me. And now the children are under them, living with the woman.
How old are these children?
So when that thing happened, Samantha was 5 years plus and Sanchez was 4.
How old are they now?
Samantha should be almost 12. She will be 12 in September. And Sanchez will be 8 by October.
Ever since when I don't separate, they give you access to see the children.
So I traveled last 2 years to see the children. So when I got there, I went with things for them. So I went to stay with a friend close by their house. So I went there. I was like, where is the children? And now told me, Samantha, the children are not around, that they are in Jos. So I now went to his auntie's place, the father's elder sister. I now went there. The auntie started telling me that the children are in her younger sister's house in Makurdi town. And I was like, but he said the children are in Jos. So So when I saw him, he was like, that the children are not around. If I bring anything, I should drop it for the children.
When was the last time you saw these children?
2024.
2024.
Yes.
December.
Yes.
So for 6 months now, you've not seen your children.
Yes.
And anytime you want to see your children, does he give you access, full
So
access
that time
to
I
see
went
your
there,
children?
it became a quarrel because when I went there, when I got there, I was like, allow the children to come and stay with me because it was a holiday. Let them stay with me in this house that I'm putting up now since I've come. He said, no, if I want to come and stay there, I should come and look at them, then go back.
So he doesn't give you access
No.
like the children could meet you
No,
for
no,
holidays and
no,
then come
nothing
back?
like that.
Okay. So let's reach out to him.
Okay.
We are not going to talk about the aspect of that violence because you people are separated now.
Okay.
He has moved on and we expect you to move on too.
I have.
Right?
Yes.
Very good. So the major issue now is the co-parenting. He's not giving you access to the children. So this is where our major focus is going to be. Please, and anybody will carry marital case come, no begin they tell us, except if that thing is related to what we are supposed to deal with. But since you are able to pass through that and when I separate peacefully and you're still looking very beautiful. Nobody will even look you and say, some people even they ask you whether you come from abroad because you are looking absolutely beautiful as if nothing happened. And you should be thankful to God that you have moved on just like he has.
When I was with him, when I was
Mr. Kelechi, please help us reach out to the husband. Now we are not after both of you. When I don't move, when I don't do in our life, allow children to grow, make them they happy. Me my own, me the place where they fight parents. Now when I want, no one give these children peace. Now me, I go carry my agbada, raise them up, my big trouser, tie where all of us go enter that trouser. Una be adults, we not supposed to sit una here they talk to una. You even senior me. My own are the children. No allow anything touch these our beautiful children. Because tomorrow na them go be our leaders. Na them go come take care of us. That time with the whole stick. Na them go take care of us. Na them go be our mothers and our fathers. So this is our own time now to take care of them. So that they too will take care of us. Yes. Tit for tat. Abi?
Yes.
Please give us the number. Mr. Kelechi, please call the husband. My brothers and sisters, if una look down and say, son, don't give us signal. Signal make we do it in signal make we continue to the van, no, they go. Mary J. Paul say both of them are estranged from themselves. It's about co-parenting now. Period. That's just it. Let the children have access to you as a mother because of the love and care. Mother's love cannot be overemphasized, and mother's love is very important in the lives of the children.
How old are the children?
How old are they?
Give her the other mic.
Use the mic. Just like the father's love too, and discipline is important to the children.
Did we call her?
Eh? Oh, off air. Okay, you can step out and call him, Mr.
No, I should step out.
Yes.
Okay. You know even pick.
You know pick ba? Okay. But just call him.
Okay.
We'll just call him and just tell him the main reason why she's calling is just for the co-parenting. Nothing like violence. This. That one has happened and it has passed.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how many times will they call people here?
3 times.
How many times I don't call?
2 times.
How many times they remain?
1.
When I go to school, when I clap for myself.
So if you know people, go just send them a message.
Okay, we go send a message, but anybody with that around them, I no one call a name. So if you they hear this story and you know them, then it they good make you call them. So make you reach out to us. But we'll go send a message.
All right, thank you, Mr. Kelechi. Let's appreciate Mr. Kelechi. Ma, where do you stay now? Where you they stay?
Okay, I'm putting up with my auntie here in Gariki.
Okay, you they stay for your auntie place for Gariki.
Yes, ma'am.
Your husband and the children, where do they live now?
They're in Benue.
They're in Benue.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It's okay. So after the program, well, Mr. Kelechi will still send him message. And we
Okay.
go see how we go take engage am.
Okay.
Ta.
All right.
We
Thank
wish
you,
you well.
Auntie Miriam. Thank you, Brekete Family.
Thank you, ma.
God bless you. God bless your good works and continue to guide and protect everyone in
Amen.
Brekete Family.
Amen.
Mhm.
Thank you. Please, let's appreciate her.